Ryan Little.
Hey J babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create the Sexy Foxy Eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. First, we are going to prime the eyelids with Ulta Beauty's Matte Eye Primer. For today's video, I will be using Morphe's Talkin Flirty Palette and setting my lids with this nude shade. I hit the jackpot when I got this palette. It was only $8, so you guys should definitely keep an eye out for all the sales. Next, I am going to apply this peachy shade to the ends of my eyelids and close to my eyebrow bone. Once that is done, I am going to apply this darker purple shade and blend it out. This shade gives me that sexy boss vibe, which I really like. I just noticed that I forgot to mention the shade names instead of just describing the color, but I'll make sure I put it in the description, so sorry guys. With my finger, I am applying the shimmer shade to the middle and inner areas of my eyelids. Okay guys, so this look was somewhat challenging for me, so it's okay if you guys messed up the first few times, because I totally understand. But with Mellow Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, I am drawing out the foxy eye look by creating a small triangle in the inner areas of my eyes before coloring it in. Once that is done, I went ahead and created a sharp wing.
Ryan Little.
After that, I colored in my waterline to create that sexy look and help make my eyes look more bolder and darker. I am priming my face with e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer. It is so hydrating and lightweighted, and of course, so affordable. We can never go wrong with L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. Sunscreen and coverage all in one, that is literally all I ask for. One of my favorite buys, Fenty Beauty's Contour Trio. Contour, concealer, and highlighter all in one. That I also mentioned that it's magnetic, so all the sticks attach to each other. You can never lose them. Okay, Morphe's translucent setting powder is amazing. I really like it. It doesn't make my face look cakey, so that is definitely a win. Now I am applying Too Faced Cosmetics Pineapple Bronzer. Smells so good, feels so good. Love, love, love. Can never go wrong with this. One of my favorite buys ever. Don't forget to highlight, guys, your cheekbones and the brow bone. I am applying Ardell's Natural Lashes in number 105. It looks very volumized and it feels very light on my eyes. Now I am applying some mascara to my lashes and to my lower lashes. This will help my eyes pop out more. For lips, I am outlining them with Morphe's lip crayon in shade ASAP. Morphe's lip products are very pigmented and they stay on and lasts you all day, so you will never regret buying them. Once outlining is done, I am going to apply Morphe's lipstick in shade Flame. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god, yes! Now some Morphe setting spray to last you all day. And that is it, a sexy foxy eye makeup look. Look like a boss, feel like a boss. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I've reached over 1K subscribers and I cannot thank you guys enough. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.